Welcome everybody. We're already having a party and the market hasn't opened yet. So why not party all night long? All day long, all morning. Let's go. All right, we're bullish this morning. Get ready to be bullish. Mick, good morning. You know, just waiting for the market to open up. All right, don't worry. I'm not torturing you guys with this. Back to the elevator music. How's everybody doing? Yeah, this was just, you know, a bit of a fun start of the stream. How's it going, Filkos? Hey, what's up? What a day. What a day. Lots of opportunities around the horizon. Look at that. Relative vehicle lows on gold. Wow, that's kind of amazing. Low is 52.5. Low is 50. Oh my gosh, we have relative vehicle lows all around the place. Why do I feel like we need to engage into this one? We might do that. Why not go for it? Anyway. I think it wants to go. Oh, the market open already started. All right. I forgot. Is this gonna go lower? I wonder. I mean, I feel like gold should take out those relative equal lows. Now let's get back to NQ. NQ seemingly wants to push it higher. All the way up to 23, maybe. Can we go for 23? Maybe we can. I think it wants to. Yeah, it wants to go through the zone. I'm sure about that. Maybe we were a little bit late on that one. But anyway. Yeah, it's going. It's gonna break the supply zone right there. Oh man, I missed the opportunity there. You're in the library? Nice. Cool. Yeah, we have FOMC today. That could be interesting, right? That could be quite interesting. It feels like this one wants to break that high, but I'm not sure. Not exactly sure. 126 should be going. It was close. And there you go. 126 taken. Okay, 126 taken. But I'm still kind of curious what gold is about to do here. But we'll see. Any trades so far, anyone? Let me know. Eval, what's up? Can you tell gold to stop playing? Yeah, I can call the market makers if that's what you mean. I do have some connection, you know. Yeah, there could be some liquidity down there. I'm actually curious about NQ, but also gold as well. Like, what's gold doing right here? We have relative equal lows. Let me see the low here. Low is 52.5. Very interesting. Very interesting to have that sell side liquidity down there in that area, to be honest. Quite interesting. I guess we shall see, right? NQ going higher as well. Kind of an interesting level here on both. Especially because NQ swept everything it could. I feel like I missed the opportunity here on gold. Lutefisk, sitting on your hands. Sometimes that's the best way. That's the best thing to do. Sitting on the hand. The problem is I don't have any other zone to the upside. I wish I would have something. But this zone has been perfectly disabled. So that's kind of cool. I might gonna go to scalping. I don't know. Nabab, good to see you. Doing great. Good to see you on the channel. What's up? Yeah, no trade. The only trades I took, I mean, I had some trades this morning. I had 191 on the MyFundedFutures core account, which is great. On the Apex account, I made 125 on each of these accounts. Actually 108, 113, 108. So only 108. But the Bully accounts, which are actually after payout, I made 349 on this one, 349 on this one, and 356 on this one. So actually that's a good start for the second payout on these accounts. So that's good. That is good. So overall, I'm in the green. I still have to work on the Take Profit Trader account and the Trade Day accounts. And the TRADEIFY account. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting about the TRADEIFY account. So many things happening. Yo, Curry Fishbowl, what's up? How's it going? Decoupled market, yeah. Yeah, I just checked ES. I don't know what the heck is going on. ES is just NQ seemingly pushing higher, but ES, man, I don't know. And this is gold. ES also down, gold going down. Took out those relative equal lows. Actually, the gold could have been an easy sell. So I feel a little bit like, I didn't take it, you know. And NQ just keeps going higher and higher. I don't know why. That was super bearish. Man, I have to lower the music because it's just not good. It's just too loud. Okay, it's better. Yeah, I don't know. If I look to the left, obviously we see this fair value gap, which is cool, awesome. At 147, I think it's gonna get tagged less than 10 points away. It's only like 5 points now. And it keeps going higher. There is a zone up there at 186, but it's not like a perfect one. It took liquidity. You know what? Actually, it did not. It's not okay. High of this one is okay. It did not, so it's not a good one. I would be rather looking for a shift to the downside. Should I scalp this? Maybe I should. Maybe I should. So if we see this as a, okay, so we tagged into that fair value gap, we disabled that that supply zone. So what if this one wants to go lower, right? I'm gonna wait and see. So I'm gonna go to scalping mode. Okay, almost there. What's the risk here? 27. Yeah, we'll see. I might gonna scalp this one. I have to wait for this candle to close. And yeah, this is gonna be for the first fair value gap or first presentation gap. This is it right here. Let's see if we can go for it. I'll let you guys know when I enter the cell. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Just a second, Philcos. My finger is on the market sell button. I'm waiting for the candle to close. Damn it. It's not good. It's not good yet. Still have to wait. Yeah, NQ can definitely creep higher. Yeah. I'm always fresh. You know, I just bought a new cologne. And that's why I look and smell fresh too. No lemon juice today. Look at that. We're going back down maybe? Who knows? Who knows? We have some news, right? What is this? Nothing. All right. Right, entering a sell now. Entry is 122. Stop is 150.50. Trying to go through the first presentation gap. This will be a 1-to-1 scalp. Where is it? There. Let's see how far is this? It's like ticks 113. Yeah, this would do it. It's absolutely not perfect, and that's why we love it. Yeah, waiting for the macro is obviously the wise choice right here. But since I'm already in the green, this is on a separate account. I'm kind of fooling around with this one for a little, just for a little bit, you know, for a little bit. I feel like it's gonna go up there. I'm risking like 190 bucks on this one. All right. Do you think all the sell side will be taken? I don't know, man. I mean, that's just a wild guess. I wish I could help you with this. That is something I don't know. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna cry myself to sleep now. This trade is gonna destroy me. Why? Why, market? Why are you doing this to me? I have to full port all my accounts now. Everything. Market makers like to... Oh yeah, they do. They do. They do like to do that. They like to do stuff. Oh well. We tried. Unfortunate. But we tried. It's just not moving. Unfortunate is it goes to the upside. It didn't take liquidity from the first presentation gap. But why? Why? NQ, why? Yeah, it's over. This was basically a scalp trade. Let's move on. It's gone. All right, it's gone. Okay, so how far are we going? Let's look to the left here. Nothing. Okay. At least we can wait a little bit more. Don't worry, I'm not jumping into anything. Just keeps moving higher. Bum, bum, bum. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What a start, right? What a start. All right. Still pushing higher. On micro short. Yeah, I thought that it's going to go, but it's just, you know, it didn't. Why is the market doing this to us? I'm going to give one more chance to a possible short, but I actually, what I'm doing is just really testing this indicator, nothing more. I think I shouldn't fool around with the bulls here as they're pushing it. Yeah, it just keeps crawling higher. No bearish signs here. Let's see what's happening on gold. So gold actually swept the low. Why is it not going higher? All right, I want to see. Well, how far is that? 111. Yeah, let's see. All right, quick look on gold. Still keeps pushing. Oh well. What is this barcoding on the 1 minute chart? What is this? What's happening? I have to wait for the 10 a.m. now to see what's going to happen here. I thought that we are going to see some kind of a displacement lower, but it's not happening. It's just not happening. What's the news? I don't know. Something's up with gold. I don't know. Yeah, so nothing. We have an FOMC member in a few minutes. Hopefully he's not going to release anything. But so far, this is all that we have. Oh, just a second. Quick phone call here. Just a second. Sorry, it was the market makers. The market makers. They are doing it. I just got confirmed. So here we have the new 10 a.m. hour. Let's see what's going to happen. You're silver. Yeah. Yeah, it seems like we do have a supply zone here. I just don't know like how far can this one actually go? Because there is a level here on NQ up until 12. I mean, there's a zone up there. That's what I wanted to say. On the 1 minute chart. And this one starts at, hold on. This one starts at, I can't see it, 12.75. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, so that would be a 1 minute zone right up there. Oh, sorry. You guys didn't see the candles. But let me show you. On the 1 minute, if you look to the left, we have these candles here. And actually, it picked up liquidity here. Picked up liquidity actually right there as well. The zone starts right there. Is it going to go there? Who knows? But it's valid. Technically, it's valid, so let me extend it. Right there. So that's an interesting scenario. And obviously, we still have time. If this one wants to push it, then why not? I might going to scalp it on a take profit trader account. Maybe. Kind of thinking about it. Maybe I should. Maybe I don't know. Go for that. Actually, that's 11. Right up there. So we'll see. I jumped into the scalp from 202.75 on the TPT account and I got it. Nice. Let's go. That's good. That is actually good. I like it. Okay. So it did go there. It did go there. All right. I have to drink something. I'll be right back. Subscribe and like the stream. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. What's happening? So, we got into the zone again. And what else? Nothing on gold. How surprising. Okay. What's on NQ? Can we go higher? Let's look to the 1 minute. Let's look to the 1 minute. Okay. Not much to do, right? Let's look for ES. Anything on ES? Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, anything on the 3 minute? Nothing on the 3. Actually, there is. Not really. Nothing on the 3 minute. Anything on the 1 minute that started this move? Nothing. Makes my life easier. Thank you, ES. So basically, we're done. I'd like to see this go back down. We just created a demand zone down here. That's where we can go, maybe. Never ever went down to the first presentation gap. 27 points away. Careful with that. Yeah. Yeah, I wish this would have gone higher, but it just didn't. I mean, I wish I would have been in the trade. But it's just not it, you know. We're just not living in that type of world. And it still wants to go higher. Dun, dun, dun. Bum, 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 bum. We'll see. We shall see. Listening to Gentleman's playlist in the... Oh, really? Rock and voice? Okay. What to do, right? I think we this one should be pulling back to 182. Would be nice to see. Oh, I think I just found the perfect music for the stream background. You guys will love it. You guys are gonna love this song. No, it's not AI song. It's actually a relaxing song. But you're gonna love it. Okay, I found it. I found it. It's a great song. It's a relaxing song. So I'm gonna play it for you. All right, if you guys wanted to. This is actually absolutely. It helps you to relax in front of the charts. So if you just watching the charts, definitely make sure to play this music because I think it's just awesome. This is for traders. Okay, so I hope you guys like it. This is especially for traders, That's why we like it. Yeah. It is what it is. I'm sorry. Someone liked it. It's very good for, it calms down the emotions, helps you to relax, absolutely. There's a machine outside. And it has so much to say, the lyrics, and everything. So this song has such a lot of meaning, when you're listening to it. You will find a deeper understanding to that song. It's kind of cool, in my opinion. All right, what's going on here? Are we going back down to pick up some orders from that level, or, what's the case here? Oh, almost went down, but I think it will turn around. Could be popping. The midnight level. Oh, it's way down there. I mean, we could go to that midnight level, but who knows? Bum, 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 ba-dum. Repricing all the gaps here. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. No, Jonathan, I wish, but I didn't. You were long since the Asia session. Oh, no cash giveaway yet, but stay tuned. What is going on with this market, by the way? What is ES doing? Nothing. Cool. All right. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Man, it's so hard to... you know what? Because I was thinking that if this one picked up liquidity from this fair value gap, why not just finish up the move right there? You know, to pick up some more orders. Why not? That's kind of interesting, right? So yeah, we have an order block up there as well, which is kind of cool. Kind of feels like that it might want to go higher. Hard to say. Keeps pushing. Some Rammstein? No, actually, it's... I can paste it to you guys. The song is an old classic, actually. You would never know. This is the song. It's hitting the order block right now, but I think it wants to break it. I have a feeling. And when it breaks it, we could just go for the previous day high again. Everybody was short maybe to look for some lows. But yeah, it's just going to break this level. That's exactly what it's doing. No, it's not. It is not. It's not Hungarian. Yeah. But it's, you know, it's kind of a cool song, right? I'm reading a comment here. Beautiful song to start a morning coffee. Beautiful songs to start a morning coffee. That's excellent. When he says gra and gua, it really touches my heart and soul. Makes me realize that everything in my life is gonna be okay. Yeah, nice and romantic name. Yeah, absolutely nice and romantic name. Yeah, it is. It's so nice. The comments are really funny. The comments are super funny. The song is a legend. It inspired many smooth jazz players. I like it. Such an emotional and calming song. I'm feeling the ambience. I love it. The comments are amazing. Read the comments. Yeah. Oh, man. We love it. SMT? Oh my god. SMT, everybody. Oh yeah, we do have an SMT. All right, get ready. This is it. Okay. Let's get ready. The thing is, the high of this zone was 31.25 and the high of this one was okay. It's gonna break that level. I'm sorry to say it like this, but it's just gonna break it. Yeah, I might be going for the 30s again. Who knows? But there is an SMT. So I just realized that the zone has not been broken. Scooter, yeah. How much is the fish? How much is the fish? And you know, the next song I like from Scooter is I Shot the DJ. I shot the DJ. Dun, 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 dun. I shot the DJ. But of course, the old classic from Scooter, move your ass. Move your ass. The good old 90s vibes, all there in that song. It's all there. Everything you needed to know about the 90s, it's in that song. I don't know what the heck is going on here. Maybe it's because of the SMT, right? But it keeps happening. Yeah, it seems like the SMT is working. Or maybe not. You're a 90s kid too, all right. Oh, Max Getaway, of course. Yeah, market structure shift. It did happen, by the way. But I think it's a trap. I don't know. I somehow I feel like this could be a trap. It feels like a trap. Why do I feel like this is a trap? I have nothing here. So I think I'm just going to prepare for the MyFunded TV session. I have really nothing here. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I don't want to enter a trade. But this one is going to break that 231. Trust me on this. Actually, you know what? Let's observe. Should I take a trade on this? I mean, why not? All right. I took a trade. I took a long. I'm targeting 230. Where is it? Is this gonna break or not? I'm gonna actually put my stop a little bit lower there. This is gonna be a scalp. The great Genghis Khan. Yeah, I know. I know. Or, you know, Rasputin from ABBA. Oh, oh, Rasputin. Da, 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 da. That would be great. Yeah, that song is amazing, man. That song is just amazing. Come on, guys. If this trade is gonna hit TP, I'm just gonna play Scooter and move your ass. I don't care about YouTube. I'm just gonna play it straight away. Hey, Hadley, what's up? We are not killing it. We are not killing it. I'm just actually fooling around on this account a little bit. Everything was great. Thank you, Hadley. All was good. I was a little bit busy nowadays, and today as well, and yesterday. You're gonna wait for the macro, yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens. My theory is that the order block should be broken, or the zone right here. That's actually a 1 minute. So it's a 1 minute supply zone. But it has not been broken. So the high of the zone, this one was at 231. The high of the zone is 231.25. So it actually didn't go through, which is quite interesting, but we'll see. Retracement. Well, the London session was good, actually. I liked it. And I'm up on my funded accounts today, so I'm really happy about it. What does that mean? Lek at this, what? Lek at this, what? I don't know what that word. Lek at sickle. I don't know that word. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. How the micros, oh, sorry, the macro and the micro. The micro is definitely giving some more cushion, that's for sure. Okay. Guess we just gotta have to wait. You're sleepy. Oh, man. Yeah, 10:41. Yeah, I can imagine. Sluggish. Ah, sluggish. Thank you. I didn't know that. Hey, József, hello! Bocs, elfelejtettem írni vissza Discordon, láttam az üzenetet. Azt mondták, hogy továbbítják, ennyi. Tehát, hogy megkérdeztem a főnököt is, azt mondta, most erre nem tud, a jogi osztálynak továbbítják, hogy mit lehet tenni. Ennyit mondtak. Megkérdeztem több országot is. Ennyit tudtak csak mondani, mert betartják a szabályokat. Aztán ennyi. All right, what is happening? Is this price gonna go lower, or is it gonna sweep my stop loss right there? It's not good. Yeah, it just took me out. That's not good. I don't like it. I don't like it. I get out. Bum, 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 bum. I think it's still gonna go back to 230, by the way. Minus 94. Oh, you got out too. Yeah. I'm going to tell you a secret. I entered again. But since this is only an evaluation account, which is due to reset next week, actually not this week, so I still have time. Why not? That's why I'm a little bit heavier. On the funded accounts, I'm not doing anything with the funded accounts in the rest of the day. The chase is better than the catch, right? Yeah, equal highs above us. Yeah, we're inside a 5-minute BC. That's true. Yeah, gotta stay on the plan. Gotta stay on the plan. But no, I go crazy on evaluation accounts. I told you guys. Sometimes I do. Slow grind. Yeah, I think it's unfortunately, I think it's gonna go lower down to that demand zone. But if it picks up orders, that's good. We still have a few minutes until the macro. I don't think Barb would agree. No. Yeah, I don't think she would be happy with this. Oh man. Oh. The chase is better than the catch. When do I sleep? Well, for me, the London session is at the best time, Headley, you know, because I start at my time. It's 8 a.m. in the morning, and the New York Open is 3:30 in the afternoon for me. And my funded futures session starts at 5:30 in the afternoon, so I finish at 6:30 p.m., which for me is just great, you know. And I'm kind of okay with that. I'm absolutely okay with that. Still, it's a good time for me, you know. No issue, no problem at all. I'm pretty sure her long hit before the. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, she was long. I didn't know that. Yeah, it's a full-time job. Exactly, Hadley. So trading, streaming, building my YouTube channel, and being here. This whole thing for me is full-time. So I'm doing this full-time technically. So it's because of the time zone here in Europe, it's absolutely convenient for me. It's very good to stream the London session and also the New York AM session for me. And especially now that I have my funded TV session too. All is good. All is great. But you know, the power hour for me, that would be 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. and technically I could stream that, but that would be a little bit too much for me. I mean, that would really be like too much energy consuming. I do have to, you know, focus on my private life as well and everything, you know, do other things than trading. So okay, let's see what this is gonna do here. Now it feels like it. I don't know. Is it gonna go lower? Take that. What's that level? That's actually at 180 on the micro. 180. And what's that level on the mini? 180.25. Yeah. Is it gonna take it? Kind of wondering. Yeah. Oh, 3 a.m. in Detroit. Wow. Man, it's so cool to say you're in Detroit. You know, we here in Europe, especially, I mean, here in Hungary, we hear the name Detroit only in movies, you know. Like, oh man. If I would tell someone like, hey, there's a guy here on my stream who's from Detroit. He's in the chat like, wow, Detroit, wow. So, do I know it correctly? Like Detroit was the place like for automakers, like car factories. Was that the Detroit where all the cars were born? Or I don't know what the saying was. Like it was a car manufacturing city in the old days, right? Or is it still? I think it's still, right? That's where they do all the cars. Yeah. The original plan is more than working. So the car city. That's where the cars were born. Let's see the low. 82.75. Almost went down there. Let's see, low 82.75. Almost went down there. So yeah, eventually it went to the demand zone. Unfortunately, I tried to, you know, go along on this one. It didn't turn out good. Henry Ford, but the assembly line, wow. Says the big three. Oh wow, Dodge Ford, wow. Also known as the Motor City. Yeah, yeah. Quite famous. Quite famous. All right, everybody. Another SMT. No, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. So I'll be at my funded TV shortly. And in the meantime, let's all just have a party. You know. Move your ass. So support the channel by using the code TOMSABO. I'll be at my funded TV shortly. Stay tuned. See you guys there. And let's listen to some Scooter. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless.
It's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. Posse! You keep the spirit alive! Come on! Kick it, yay! Move your ass! Yeah! Rave Nation! Stay tuned!